Number 1. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $13,000, featuring a 305 V8 engine paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission and 100,000 miles on the odometer. Its lightning red exterior and sleek black interior, updated in 2022. The restoration included new cab corners and floors, ensuring a solid all-metal build, along with repainted original door panels for an authentic touch. Dual fuel tanks, a custom exhaust, powerful LED headlights, and LED interior lights enhance its functionality and style. Inside, the truck boasts modern conveniences like a center console with USB charging ports and an air horn. Its premium JBL sound system includes a 4-channel amplifier and stage 3 6x9 3-way speakers. While everything works flawlessly except for the cruise control, the Silverado blends vintage charm with modern upgrades. Number 2. 1979 Ford F100, price $10,500, with approximately 100,000 miles on the odometer. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the truck features a vibrant yellow exterior paired with a sleek black interior. Powered by a built SBC 355 engine, it is paired with a turbo 350 transmission, ensuring smooth performance. Additional upgrades include an aluminum radiator, aluminum driveshaft, an electric water pump, and a fuel cell installed in the bed. This F100 is in exceptional condition, showcasing zero rust and a sprayed-in bedliner for added durability. The interior is in excellent shape, contributing to the overall appeal of the truck. Designed as both a fun driver and a weekend show cruiser, it's a fantastic choice for enthusiasts seeking a unique and reliable classic. The truck is being sold with an open Kansas title, and the speedometer is currently non-functional. Number 3. 1983 GMC 2500, price $15,000, with only 46,000 miles on it. It features an automatic transmission, a striking red exterior, and a matching red interior. Powered by a freshly rebuilt BB454 engine paired with a turbo 400 transmission, this truck is designed to deliver reliable performance. Both the motor and transmission have been fully rebuilt, ensuring optimal functionality. The fuel system is entirely new, including both fuel tanks, lines, and the diverter valve, providing seamless operation. The truck is virtually rust-free, with 99.9% of the body in pristine condition. The only minor rust spot is located behind the passenger rear tire. Its underside is spotless, a testament to the care and maintenance it has received. The tires are also brand new, completing the truck's well-preserved and road-ready condition. Number 4. 1979 Chevrolet C10, price $13,500, with 91,700 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The exterior and interior are both strikingly finished in red, adding to its appeal. This truck comes with a clean California title, and its current registration is up to date. All emissions components remain intact, ensuring compliance with regulations. The body and frame are in excellent condition, showing no signs of rust. Powered by a reliable 350 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, the truck delivers strong performance. The interior has been fully refreshed with new elements, including a reupholstered seat, new carpeting, and a headliner, providing a comfortable and stylish cabin. Additionally, the truck has undergone a 4-to-5 drop for a lower, sleeker stance and is equipped with new 20-inch US mags wheels and tires, enhancing its aesthetic and driving experience. Number 5. 1987 Chevrolet C10, price $11,000. It has traveled 140,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a sleek white exterior paired with a blue interior. Powered by an LS1 engine swap and equipped with a 4L60E automatic transmission, this truck delivers both performance and reliability. The vehicle includes a functional Dakota digital cluster, enhancing its modern appeal. It also boasts a 4-to-6 lowering kit for a stylish stance, along with electric windows and locks for added convenience. The tires remain in good condition, and the truck runs smoothly, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts and collectors alike. This gasoline-powered classic combines vintage charm with updated features for a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Number 6. 2000 Ford F350, price $14,000. This is a complete diesel truck with an automatic transmission and has covered 280,000 miles. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features tan leather upholstery, providing both style and comfort. It is powered by a strong diesel engine and includes several performance and convenience upgrades. The truck is equipped with a tuner and a built transmission, enhancing its performance and durability. It features a Banks kit, rear airbags for improved load handling, and a 4-inch lift for a more commanding presence on and off the road. Additionally, it comes with a gooseneck hitch, making it ideal for towing heavy loads. The interior is further enhanced with leather seating, and the truck is equipped with exhaust and boost gauges for better performance monitoring. It runs and drives excellently, making it a reliable choice for work or recreation. Number 7. 1977 Ford F250, price $12,000, with only 60,000 miles on the odometer. It features a powerful 460 motor paired with a C6 automatic transmission, delivering smooth performance and dependable operation. The truck is a 2WD model that runs on gasoline, with a striking blue exterior complemented by a matching blue interior. Its vintage design is matched by its practicality, making it a standout choice for those seeking a dependable daily driver with classic appeal. The current owner has taken great care of this vehicle, ensuring it is ready for the road. Recent updates include newer tires, brakes, and an oil change performed just 2,000 miles ago. The truck has proven its reliability on multiple 200-mile trips without any issues, showcasing its roadworthiness and comfort for longer drives. Number 8. 1992 Dodge D150, price $15,000. It has traveled 141,000 original miles. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior, all powered by a reliable 5.2L Magnum 318 cubic inches V8 engine. This truck boasts a rust-free body with a clean, straight design, complemented by light patina that enhances its vintage charm. While it has some typical dings and scratches expected of a 33-year-old vehicle, there is no major damage. It starts, runs, drives, and stops exceptionally well, with all systems functioning as they should. The air conditioning is cold and performs perfectly. Additionally, the truck does not leak, burn, or consume any fluids. With a clean Washington title and the owner's name and ready to transfer, this Dodge D150 is a well-maintained and reliable vehicle that represents a blend of classic design and practical performance. Number 9. 1989 GMC 1500, price $12,000, with 189,200 miles, featuring an automatic transmission, a white exterior, and a gray interior. Powered by a rebuilt 5.7L engine swapped to a carburetor setup and cammed, it delivers strong performance. Both the engine and transmission were rebuilt within the last 4 years, and the suspension was redone a few years ago, including a C-notch for a smoother ride. Additional upgrades include headers, a new exhaust system, new front and rear bumpers, 454SS mirrors, a Chevy grille, and an electric sunroof with no leaks. The truck also has cold AC, a working heater, and a complete interior in decent condition for its age. The truck runs and drives great, is reliable for everyday use, and comes with a clean Texas title under the owner's name. Number 10. 1985 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, price $11,500, with 96,000 miles, features a black exterior and interior, an automatic transmission, and a 305 engine paired with a 350 turbo transmission. Recent upgrades include new headers, a carburetor, engine and transmission mounts, an exhaust system, spark plugs, boots, a distributor, a starter, and a battery. The truck starts, runs, and drives as it should, with functional electric windows, power locks, and working air conditioning and heating. It has a clean VIN, no rust, and removable chrome rim caps for added style. While the truck is a solid foundation, it does have an exhaust leak, an oil leak from the oil pan, cracked windshield, and aging paint. These issues, along with some cosmetic work, make it a great project truck for a classic vehicle enthusiast.